Botanical Etchings paper pack is a beautiful collection of papers. They're 12 by 12, 80-pound paper, and because they're from hot off the press, you're going to get scrapbook page ideas, card ideas, all in the packaging at no additional cost. Let me show you, these are some of the things that coordinate with them, but let me show you the papers. There is this one on the front that has this beautiful treatment. Now, you know what I love to do is to play with this. So you might do this with those pages. Let me get these other things out of the way. And look at what a stunning centerpiece that makes for your scrapbook layout. You can also do some things, like this. Isn't that fun? You can also have one side going horizontally with another going vertically. So lots of options, and we like options. Let me show you the other pages. Here is a Burgundy. What I love about this is that you can see the line art just gently done on that page. Here is another beautiful page, and it has very lightly on the left-hand edge some text and also some line art, more of those botanical etchings. This is an all-over pattern, as you can see, fun to use all by itself or fun to cut apart and use. There is a dot. This is kind of a distressed dot. It has that same flourish that's been repeated through many of these papers. And then we have a green, a kind of scallop edge that's going to add a decorative element also. Now, we do have ribbons. Of course we have ribbons. Here's what the collection looks like. 12 ribbons, 36 inches each. I love this wire ribbon. It adds such a beautiful look. You can weave with it. You can do lots of things. Crepe ribbon, I think, is absolutely one of my favorites. We have a sheer swirl. We have the narrower sheer. We also have a vine ribbon. That's nice to have. Oh, there's even a micro gingham in here. So lots of options for you. Now, what else is going to coordinate? Well, let me show you. We have some paper Tole. Now, paper Tole, as you know, it comes in pyramid, it comes in paper, or it comes in foil. Well, to go with the botanical etchings, we have a pyramid. Now, these are all die cut out. So all you do is just pop them out. They are numbered, so you just do number 1, glue it down to your card, your page, your tag. Number 2, you're going to punch out and then foam tape over the matching design, and then you just keep going. There are 4 designs in the pyramid set, 2 sheets, and there's always extra art, and that's fun to use. I'll show you a project using that. This time, there's also a foil paper Tole. Isn't that beautiful? Let me show you what that looks like when it's used. Before I go there, I just want to say there are 3 finished designs on this sheet. There is a label with a bird, there is this cluster of flowers, and there's also one with this absolutely striking butterfly. Here's a card using the papers and the foil. Isn't that stunning? Now that's that all over pattern. How fun it is to cut it into strips. Isn't that beautiful? On the inside, we're adding some of that extra art that's on every single paper Tole sheet. Scrapbookers, here is a page using the pyramid paper Tole. There it is right there. And isn't that a beautiful look? You can see how it's kind of twisted as it goes up to complete the design. We've also added some of these velvet self-adhesive flowers because they just add such a great look, and you can't crush them down. That's nice. There's an extra paper Tole piece. Here's the companion page. I just wanted to show you how that paper Tole is so effective, not only in card making, but also in scrapbooking. Okay, I know what you're waiting for. What does the free download look like? Here it is. Isn't this beautiful? Lots of images, lots of art, and as you cut them out, I think you're going to have lots of fun with this gorgeous botanical collection.